Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Unplugged TV Australia. This is probably the video you have all waited for a very long time. So firstly, I will tell you what Mitsubishi published last week in regards to our battery issues here in Australia. And in the second part of the video, I would like to share my own experience and would like to tell you what Mitsubishi has decided to do for my individual case. Okay, let's get started. So the first part will be very formal. Ladies and gentlemen, the news. Mitsubishi Motors Australia is committed to ensure we are supportive of all our product range and all our customers are important to us. We encourage any customer with a concern to contact us so we can understand individual needs and are able to support our customers appropriately. Each customer case is different, and we want to be able to support you as individuals, in good times or when you have concerns. We continue to work progressively with our parent company and provide feedback on our products so we can continue to meet the needs of our customers and deliver a great product offering. Ongoing feedback from our customers is welcomed, and we are now working on a forum where our early adopters of our PHEV range will partner with key stakeholders from Mitsubishi Motors Australia to share information. The Mitsubishi family is a community where we want to foster great customer relationships, and we look forward to continuing to do this in the future. Thank you. Okay. So guys, this was the official statement from Mitsubishi Motors Australia in regards to our claims. And as you know, we have discussed the battery issue of the PHEV on Facebook, on YouTube, and in several other forums, probably for the last 12 months excessively. And we always felt we need to set up a private forum to discuss this in a non-public space. So Peter was actually so kind to create the Team PHEV forum, and we have invited Australian PHEV owners only, which had battery problems as well. And at this stage, let me just thank all these active members in this Team PHEV forum. I need to read the names. I can't. I would like to thank Peter, or probably both Peters, Edgar, John, Nathan, Simon, Hunter, Dave. All these guys and many, many more have contributed to this great outcome, have complained with Mitsubishi, have involved the media, locked ticket with Fair Trade Australia, contacted lawyers, and Peter even met with the customer service people from Mitsubishi Motors Australia in their headquarters in Adelaide a couple of weeks ago. So thanks to the team PHEV and the wonderful people involved in this project, we got finally heard by Mitsubishi. We have now started an open dialogue with Mitsubishi Motors Australia. And now I would like to share the outcome of my individual personal case. And as some of you have already assumed, so Mitsubishi Motors Australia will replace the traction battery in my Outlander PHEV in January. The time frame at the moment is around mid to end of January 2019, and the replacement of the traction battery will occur at my local dealership here. Mitsubishi Motors Australia has also committed to train, teach and educate the dealerships in regards to the Outlander PHEVs. So I probably expect someone from Mitsubishi Motors Australia coming to the dealership and help them replacing the battery, show them the procedures available and which one to conduct later on after the replacement. We also discussed that Mitsubishi Motors Australia will educate and train dealerships in regards to the PHEV technology Australia-wide. So at the moment there's a big deficit in knowledge and technology expertise in these dealerships. And during our discussions with Mitsubishi, they have also acknowledged that electric driving is the future of transportation and the dealerships need to be upskilled in this technology. So, well, in regards to the battery now, you may ask, Andy, what happens when the degradation occurs again and you will be below 80% after 3-4 years again? So let me tell you, the new traction battery comes with a 10-year warranty. This warranty is linked to the VIN number of the vehicle, so it not only applies to me, but also to all subsequent owners of the vehicle. The warranty of the replacement battery not only covers defect, but also degradation. And on the base of the statement which was on the Mitsubishi website when we purchased our vehicles, and as you know, all our claims were based on the statement on the Mitsubishi Motors Australia website, which claimed a loss not higher than 20% over the lifetime of the vehicle. So Mitsubishi made it very clear now in these statements and letters that they consider the life of the vehicle to be 10 years. And the 10-year warranty for this replacement battery starts for me from the day when I purchased the vehicle. And the replacement traction battery warranty also includes the statement which was on the website when I purchased the vehicle. And I read this statement of the website in my episode 1. That was my very first video I made on this channel, but I'm happy to read this statement again for you if you haven't seen, just in case you haven't seen all of my videos yet. So, and the statement of the website is in the replacement traction battery warranty. The battery is not a service item which is expected to need replacement during the vehicle's life, and replacement is not included in the PHEV's maintenance schedule. There will be some natural degradation of the lithium-ion battery chemistry over the life of the vehicle, which could lead to a small reduction in pure EV range. This is expected to be no more than 20%. And of course, hybrid driving range extension is not affected. So I've got this 20% statement in the battery warranty for the replacement battery now. And they also state in the certificate that this warranty is in addition to the Australian consumer law. So they are giving me an additional warranty on top of the Australian consumer law. That is great. So guys, there you have it. This is what Mitsubishi came up with as a solution for my vehicle. I need to tell you again, this is for my personal individual case. It is not like they are going to replace all the batteries of all the cars which have issues with the battery. As someone stated on episode 143, this guy had a problem with the battery as well and went back to the dealership, and they have done a dB cam on his PHEV, and since then there was no further degradation for the last 1000 kilometers he drove. So again, it is not a general fix to replace the battery. There might be other solutions, but this needs to be decided on an individual, personal case. Yeah, and of course, in regards to this announced forum, expert forum, I'm super pumped that I will be part of this forum and I can talk to Mitsubishi, probably engineers, technicians, software, I don't know. I'm super pumped to be part of this team, and I'm so looking forward. I've got a direct line now from my experience with the replacement battery with the car back to the manufacturer of this product. Where else have you got this possibility? At the moment, I don't know exactly how this forum will work, but we will have a first Skype conference in January, early January, I think, where we discuss and outline further steps we have to do. And as soon as I have more details about this forum, I'll let you know, of course. And I hope I can share a lot of information coming from this direct line from Mitsubishi Motors Australia back to you guys, back through this channel. And I'm super pumped. And this is something we have discussed with Mitsubishi from the beginning. We always said, look, we have all this data here from the PHEV watchdog. We have our experience with the cars, and we would like to share this information with you. We are not, and Mitsubishi has said, look, we don't want to replace the battery in your car and just leave it like this. We want to hear from you. We want your feedback. We want to hear about your experience, and we want the further data you collect. And this is exactly what I said in so many videos on this channel. I would like to work with Mitsubishi together and share my experience and give them the data and provide some feedback so they actually know what's going on with their product, and potentially, and I hope Mitsubishi Australia, probably Mitsubishi Motors worldwide, I really hope they will learn, improve and optimize their customer assistance in the future. And I am very proud to be part of this expert forum, share my information and make this outcome possible. Yeah, so guys, there you have it. That's the official announcement from Mitsubishi Motors Australia and my individual personal outcome of this situation. I can only imagine that you have now tons of questions and would like to make comments on this whole statement, on this situation now. And I can only encourage you to leave all your comments and questions down below, and I'll pick them up from there. And I probably do 1 or 2 or as many follow-up videos on this official video, so we can start another discussion with all of you, and I can hopefully answer as many questions as possible. I also would like to take this opportunity. It is one day before Christmas Eve. I would like to thank all my viewers. We are almost, the channel has almost 1,500 subscribers, which is insane. This is super crazy. This is unbelievable. I've got this channel for a little bit over a year now, and 1,500 people in this world are following this channel. And this is 95% thanks to you guys. Thanks for leaving all the comments, helping each other out, creating this great community. And you can see when we stick together, we can achieve great outcomes. So thank you again for subscribing. Thanks for leaving comments on my videos. And as I said, tomorrow is Christmas Eve. So guys, I wish you all the very best, a very Merry Christmas 2018. And I hope you will continue to follow me on this channel, because I think the whole story with the Outlander PHEV gets very interesting once the new battery is in the car and we start opening up this forum, this expert forum with Mitsubishi. There will be tons and tons of videos following and so much information to share. So I hope, I mean, this channel basically gets just started right now. And as always, thanks for watching, thanks for your support. This is Andy from Unplugged EV Australia, signing off. You stay charged, and we will of course see us in the next video. Okay guys, see you then, bye bye.